Diabetes is a prevailing metabolic disorder and it has reached epidemiologic proportions in the country. And Apollo hospitals, being the pioneer in the country, have laid the foundation for chronic disease management. And the sugar clinics are one such effort by the Apollo group. We are very happy to announce that these sort of clinics are definitely going to offer a great amount of help to identify, screen, monitor and measure the outcomes of patients who are suffering with diabetes. The basic vision is to early identify the complications that are setting into the system and then slow down the progression of the disease through multiple designed interventions for each individual patient, which are very subjective, right from exercise, diet, behavioral modification and exercise prescriptions. So these are the things that have been planned, and the patient goes through a program that has been designed for a period of 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. Into the program, the patient get into the programs which we have designed. So in this way we will be able to identify the complications early, and then we will be able to monitor the patient through the battery of investigations which we do, and then offer him the right help that will be required so that he can prevent the complications from coming in. So majority of almost around 80% of the people have type 2 diabetes. The age varies. Even at a younger age it is possible to get, people between the age group of even 15 to 20 are able to get type 2 diabetes. But the actual age which we need to screen, it all depends upon 35 years of age is the actual time when you need to screen the patient, okay? And the other factors that are contributing to development of diabetes is stress, lot of stress. People who are under a lot of stress, doing multitasking, people who are sedentary, who do not do exercise at all, people who are getting obese by developing a lot of amount of fat that is coming around their abdomen, they are the ones who are more prone for developing type 2 diabetes over a period of time.